guys, it's Layla with MagicDoor, and we are going to celebrate the new semester with, oh my gosh, with Twyla, Scaremester Twyla. Here it is. And there she is in this adorable picture, holding her books. Oh. And there she is right there. OMG. She's so cute. As you can see, I have another color. This is I believe it's the 13 wishes. Yes, this is the 13 wishes Twyla. The first one I ever got, because that's the only Twyla I have. So, I have another one. But this one's Scaremester, not 13 wishes. Huh. Anyways, let's open her up and get her out of this box. Woo! So she's out of the box, and look at her. She is so cute. Watch this. Sissies! Here. Anyways, so yeah, this is really cute. And I love those things. Those little shoes of hers. It's like, oh my gosh, what did I do? The shoes, they're blue and black. It's really cute. I love it. And then it's like every Twyla, she has little things on her. There. Just so this towel is really cute. This towel is really cute. And so I'll scroll the thing from the back. It says Sunday 7th. Family picture. The one and only time of the year when we all actually step out of the shadows to get a group shot. Because she's out of the boogeyman, so we have to step out of the shadows just to get a group shot. And that's really that makes a lot of sense. And so yeah, this was a Twyla review with the Twyla in the background. And so yeah, bye guys. Bye.